We are pleased to show you the 2015 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, one owner, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.